I just want to show you this lovely new feature that I discovered in YNAB, my favorite money management piece of software, and the link for the software is below in the comments. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Aoife from Prudence Money Penny Coaching. I'm a money mindset coach, manifestation expert, best-selling author, and YNAB lover. So I discovered that if I click here, this is in the budget section of the screen. I explain how the software works in some of the other videos, but I discovered this really amazing feature. So if I click on any of these are called categories, and this is a broad overall heading, that on the right hand side of the screen here, and this feature has been here for a couple of months, I just never noticed, that I can use this to create a target, which is really fantastic because sometimes you don't really know, like, how much do I need to save to achieve this thing? How much do I need to save each month, each week? So let's say I'm going to save a deposit for my dream home. So I'm going to click on the plus button here and it opens up the amount I need. So I'm going to say I need 10,000 and it is needed, and it gives me these options here. Is it for spending? So is it an ongoing cost? Is it a savings balance? Am I simply saving for the sake of saving, which I don't recommend? I think it's very important that all of your savings have a purpose. Or is this a loan payment? Am I paying down a mortgage, a loan, a car loan, or something like that? So for this one, it is a savings balance. And I can put in the date that I need it. So I'm going to say I'm going to need this for this time next year. So there I go, there is the date, that's the savings balance. I'm going to need 10,000 and I hit save target and it tells me that this is the amount of money this month that I need to save, which is really, really fantastic. So I already have €100.10 in this category, and this month I need to save this much more to reach my target of €10,000 by March of next year. So I really, really love this feature. And these colors will change to tell you whether you're on track or not. So it's another lovely feature in my favorite piece of software, YNAB, as in you need a budget. If you like this video, then please hit the subscribe button or give me a thumbs up and pop back as I upload new content regularly.